Okay, today I've got a 2019 Triumph Street Twin Bonneville 900, just having a oil change. Got the oil as recommended by the manufacturer, Power One Racing, and the genuine oil filter. I don't bother with the K&N high flow filters and things like that. Always go genuine on your oil filters unless you're racing and stripping down the engine quite often, because why would you want to have less filtration in the oil? Anyway, right, let's get to it. So we've got the bike raised on the ramp, and dead easy with this model. There's no lower fairings or anything like that to take off. There's the sump plug and the filter, so let's get them off. This is an 8X size or Allen key. Let's get that off there. There we go. Make sure you've got something just to catch the oil. It should still have the little washer there as well. There it is, just drop down. And then let that come out. Tissue. And then let that drain for a bit now. And then next it'll be the oil filter. I'm just going to open the filler cap. Just leave that off like that. So for the oil filter, you could try and get a strap. There might be enough clearance if this is all you've got. So I could just get a bit of anchor on that and possibly start to do it. So you might get away with it on this bike if this is all you've got, but it is recommended, I have one anyway, to get the adapter cap for it, which just sits on the bottom like that with the socket, with the ratchet, and get that off like that. This is actually the same size as a Suzuki oil filter, because a lot of these are actually a standard size oil filter. Just got the 3/8 ratchet onto that. Let's crap this off. Yeah, that's tight. It's well worth getting the correct tools, to be honest, rather than messing around with ratchet straps. Okay, once that's out, you can see there that leave that to drain now for as long as possible, really. Make sure it's all out, and then we'll give the area a good clean. So after you've drained the oil, just give all the area a really good clean before putting the sump back in and the new filter. Got the new sump plug and the new washer. Pop that on. And it's on. Nice, feel that seat. And that is 25 Newton meters. Got the torque wrench set to 25. Okay, so just clean around here, ensuring that the face where the oil filter is going to seat itself is nice and clean and free from any Got a load of fresh oil on my finger and just wipe it around the seal there. And then just tiny amount just on the thread. As I said, you don't need to fill this up beforehand. And then just a case of screwing it on. There you go. Once you feel the thread, screw that on. I just like to do that hand tight, and then we'll check that for any leaks afterwards. Okay, and that's it for underneath. Next job is just to fill it up with oil. Oil just goes in here, and we can start filling that up. Power 1 Racing, fully synthetic. While you're filling it up, sight glasses on the side, and you just make sure that the oil level is between these two little markers there, right in the middle. Always check the oil when the bike is level on a flat surface. So all I'm going to do now, fill the bike up, roughly 3.5 litres in total. Start the bike up, the oil will drop a bit. Once it circulates, fills up the filter, and then it's just a case of letting it run idle, check everything, check for leaks, switch off the bike, and then see where it settles. Keep an eye on the oil levels over the next few weeks, and top up a bit if you need to. And that's it on this bike. Basic oil change on the Triumph Street Twin Bonneville 900. Peace out.